Hey friends, this is Atif Purefal and welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my previous videos, we have been following that after the breakout, a very big falling wedge pattern, SLP has formed another descending triangle on its 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now let's move to the live chart. And this was the previous falling wedge pattern, by the way, and you can see that after the breakout, the price was moving sideways here. And now for the past several months, it is moving inside this descending triangle. Right now, you can see that the price is trying to break out the resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout on the daily time frame chart, we have broken out the resistance, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.004. And now it is retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for X3G, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like here, you can see that I shared this signal almost 2 days ago with my members. And if you will scroll it down, then here you can watch when I shared what was a complete trade setup, like the buying sign and the sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very nice pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SLP. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is moving inside this descending triangle since after the month of November, since after the first week of November 2023. So it's more than a year that the price line is moving inside this descending triangle. You can see that we have several touch points here, and we had a nice bounce. Then we got 1, 2, 3 rejections, and the price line got another rejection. Then we again dropped down at the support of the triangle, and we had another bounce. Then we had several touch points here, and we had another bounce. Then we had another bounce here as well in the month of October, in the first week of October. Then the price again geared up, but got rejected here. And now for the past few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, it is again starting to break out the resistance of this triangle. But if we take a look at the smaller time frame, on the daily time frame, then you can see that we have broken out the resistance of this triangle. But after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.004. And right now, it is retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support before the next move to the upside. And if we move back here on the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.004 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. And even before that, it has been working as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance for the price. And by the way, not this one. This one we have resistance of $0.004 that has been previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here. And therefore now, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this it's a descending triangle, then target for the breakout from this triangle as per this measurement will be here. That will be not here. That can be here. Approximately at 1.9 cents. 1.19 cents. And if the price and reaches here, then we can also break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong support zone here after this big drop in the month of January 2022. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got rejection here. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous big breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.